New boat just in for brokerage, Humber Ocean Pro 5.3. It's got a custom made boat shed cover, spare wheel, it's got an SBS trailer, roller, cradle, swing roller. Is that a 90 horsepower Mariner? 75 Mariner 2-stroke. Real nice solid A-frame. Let's get the cover off. Okay, the covers are off. So as I said, we've got a really nice stainless steel A-frame, 75 horsepower Mariner 2-stroke. When was that last serviced?
18 months ago.
18 months ago, okay. Should we say that we'll give it a service?
Yes.
Okay, so this engine will be fully serviced by the time you take it. We've got seating for 3, then we've got plenty of space with bums on tubes. This boat will probably take 5 adults, 6 adults, something like that. Let's have a look at the hull. The hull is pretty pristine, actually. It's very, very clean indeed. No marks, dents, scratches such as I can see. Tubes are Hypalon. Up on the at the helm, we've got a fuel gauge, we've got a rev counter and a trim gauge. We've got a Raymarine Dragonfly 5 GPS. We've got an Eagle fish finder. We've got an Icon 323 VHF, which is DSC compatible and connected to the GPS. We've got a Ritchie compass. We've got a nice little bit of storage there for your tackle. We've got a small anchor locker with a small anchor in it. This is a captain's seat. Nice comfortable position. We've got an Igloo ice box. Not used as an ice box at the moment, but if you like having a nice bite of lunch, then that'll be a good thing to have. We've got twin battery setup. This is the engine start battery with isolator. There's a house battery as well up here, which has a latching relay, so the engine will automatically charge the start battery and then it'll charge the house battery. We've got nav lights, we've got a couple of rod holders. So there we go. Nice pretty boat, very seagoing. It's an Ocean Pro, so it's got a nice deep V, about 23-degree dead rise I would say, which will handle the water in North Wales or the UK really nicely. It's got these little anti-swamping covers here, so when you're in reverse you've got plenty of freeboard so the water doesn't come over the stern. You've got an elephant's trunk. So there we go. If you're interested, let us know. Asking price is 8,000. I think it'll get snapped up at that. One thing the customer said, we've also got a freshwater flush for your brakes. There's also a winter cover. It does have a split in it, but it can be easily repaired.